Good evening, students. Today I am going to teach you BSc final year paper, Sem 6 paper, that is Analytical Solid Geometry. స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చెప్తాను. ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది, మంచిగా వినండి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ స్పియర్ చెప్తున్నా. స్పియర్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? ఫైన్. యూనిట్ 1 స్పియర్. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ మనం చదివాము circle and ఇక్కడ sphere. Circle we are using in 2-dimensional geometry, but sphere we are using in 3-dimensional geometry, right? Like this. We are using in 3-dimensional geometry. That is the point P of x comma y comma z. X-axis, y-axis and the z-axis. Okay, fine. First I will tell definition to you. See you. Definition. The set of points which are at constant distance are through a fixed point C. This is the fixed point C is called a sphere, right? The set of points, okay, which are at a constant distance through a fixed point C is called what? Sphere. Fine? Right. The constant distance is called radius. The fixed point is called the fixed point C is called center. Okay, fine. Now I will tell the important formulas. Those are very, very important formulas for the what? Sphere, right? Fine. This is the definition of the sphere. Formulas. Number 1, standard formula. The equation of a sphere is x minus a whole square y minus b whole square z minus c whole square is equal to r square. Here, see, this C is nothing but A comma B comma C. The distance between the 2 points. One is center, another one is the what? Moving point P. Okay, fine. So x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square. Okay, second point. The equation of PO the center at the origin. Origin. Origin means what? 0, 0, 0 is, instead of this A, B, C, we are taking 0, 0, 0. So what we are getting? X square, y square plus z square is equal to r square. Right? Fine. Third point. If r is equal to 0, the PO is called point PO. Point PO. Fourth one. Fourth one is the what? General formula. General formula. Very, very important this one. General formula. Standard formula, general formula. The equation of PO is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to g, where the center C is equal to, remember, minus u from this general equation, minus u minus v minus w, right? And radius r is equal to under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Understood or not? Okay. Okay? Fine. Next, fifth point. The equation of a PO passes through the origin is, means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. You are putting all these things in this equation, we are getting d is equal to 0. So D will be vanished. Okay, fine. So tell me, x square plus y square plus z square 2ux plus 2by plus 2wz is equal to 0. D will be vanished when the equation of the sphere passes through the origin. Understand or not? Okay, fine. Next. Sixth point. The second degree equation x square, sorry, ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2hxy plus 2gzx plus 2fyz plus 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0 represents SPO. If bit number 1 A is equal to B is equal to C. See you, the equation of the sphere, the coefficient of x square, y square, z square will be what? Same. That is equal to 1. Thus I have written A is equal to B is equal to what is that? C. All will be equal. Second point, H is equal to G is equal to F. All is equal to what? 0. Right? And third point, u square plus a v square plus a w square must and should be greater than of AD. If these three conditions satisfies, then we have to tell that the second degree equation is a sphere. Understand? Okay. These are the basic formulas for స్పియర్. ఈ కానీ మీరు మంచిగా చదువుకున్నారని గుర్తున్నాయి అనుకోండి, మీరు స్పియర్ ఎటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం అడిగితే కూడా మీరు చేసేస్తారు. ఓకేనా? ఫైన్. ఇంకో బిట్ చెప్తాను దీంట్లో. 7th పాయింట్, కన్సెంట్రిక్ స్పియర్. What do you mean by concentric sphere? ఒక స్పియర్ లోన ఇంకో స్పియర్ ఉంటే ఆ రెండు స్పియర్ ఏమంటాను నేను? కన్సెంట్రిక్ స్పియర్ అంటాను. ఎందుకంటే రెండిటికి సెంటర్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. ఏముండాలి? సేమ్ ఉండాలి. దట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ దిస్ ఇస్ R, దిస్ ఇస్ R1, దిస్ ఇస్ R2. Have you understand? Both the spheres have what? Same center. Okay. The two spheres C1 and C2 and C2 are said to be concentric spheres if both have same center. Both have same center, right? Fine. Then 8th bit. The equation of a sphere through diameter. Okay, diameter means here. This is the center. Okay, P1. This is the P2. This is the center C. 2 points, 2 endpoints through the what? Center is nothing but a what? Diameter. Right or not? Okay, fine. The equation of sphere. The equation of sphere through diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0. Here P is nothing but the point x1, y1, z1 and here x2, y2, z2. Have you understood or not? So these are the basic formulas for the which one? Equation of a sphere. అర్థం అవుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తాను మీకు. ఓకే ఫైన్. Example number 1. Find the center and radius. Find the center and radius of the sphere 2x square 2y square 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Equation of a sphere is given. We have to find what? Center and radius. This is the general equation of the what? Sphere, right? Fine. But see here, just to give a glance on the board, x square, y square, z square కి కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? సేమ్ ఉండాలి. ఆ సేమ్ అంటే ఎంత? 1 ఉండాలి. కానీ ఎంత ఉంది? 2 ఉంది. ముందు మనం ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ కి రీరైట్, we are writing this equation in the rewrite form. How is that? Solution. I am rewriting this equation in the correct form. I will take 2 common here. Given the equation 2x square 2y square 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. I will take 2 common here. X square plus y square plus z square minus x plus 2y plus z plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Because 2 is not here, right? Fine. 2 you are taking that side, you are getting 0. So you got, this implies x square, y square, z square minus x plus 2y plus z plus 3 by 2 is equal to g. Fine. This is the rewriting form of the what? Equation of the sphere. Okay. We know that the general equation of the sphere what is that? X square y square plus z square 2ux 2by 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Compare 1 and 2. 1 and 2. నేను ఎందుకు కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నా అంటే మనకి ఏం కావాలి? సెంటర్ రేడియస్ కావాలంటే యూవీడబ్ల్యూ వాల్యూ కావాలి కదా. యూవీడబ్ల్యూ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి కదా, వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ వాట్? సెంటర్ అండ్ రేడియస్. దాని గురించి నేను కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నా. ఓకేనా? ఫైన్. చూడండి, చెప్పండి. 2ux is equal to how much? minus 6 terms. x square की x square, y square की y square, z square की z square, 2ux is equal to minus 6. ఇప్పుడు ఇదేం వస్తుంది? x క్యాన్సిల్, u is equal to ఎంత వస్తుంది? minus 1 by 2. 2 at in that side. 2vy is equal to ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? కంపేర్ చేయండి. 2y, y క్యాన్సిల్, v is 2 also cancel, 1. 2wz is equal to ఎంత? z. z cancel, w is equal to 1 by 2. So you got u value, v value and w value kada. Fine. Therefore, the center C is equal to what is that? Minus u minus v minus w. That is equal to ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? We got minus 1 by 2.